Good morning, class. Today we are going to discuss some more questions of construction. So first question that we are going to discuss is draw a triangle whose sides are 6 centimeters, 7 centimeter and 9 centimeter. You already know how to draw a triangle. Let's draw. I am taking 9 centimeter as base. Okay, now I have to, the other sides are 6 and 7. So first of all, open your compass 6 centimeter. Open your compass 6 centimeter. Put it on either side of the line and draw an arc. The other side is 7 centimeter. So open your compass 7 centimeter. Draw an arc from the other side of the line. Mark this point. Join them. So this is a triangle that you got, name it A, B and C. Now you have what they are saying, you have to draw a circle circumscribing the triangle. Circumscribing means a triangle is there. You have to draw a circle passing through all the three vertices of the triangle. You might already know that how to draw this triangle, how to draw this circle. First we have to locate the center of the circle. How to locate the center? Draw the perpendicular bisectors of any two sides. I am going to draw the perpendicular bisector of BC and AC. Open your compass more than half. Draw an arc here and below the line. Keeping the compass same, cut the previous arcs. Note down all this construction that must be in the light. The lines must be light in color. Now I am going to draw the perpendicular bisector of AC. Join it. So the point where both the perpendicular bisectors cut each other will be the center of circle. Mark this point as O. Now put your compass on O. Open it up to A, B or C. You can open it up to A or B or C. Draw the circle. So this is how you are going to draw a circle circumscribing a given triangle. So coming to the next construction that's in your syllabus, that's the part of your NCERT book, that is question number 6. What they are saying, draw a triangle, right triangle in which AB is equal to 6, BC is equal to 8 and angle B is 90. Means you have to draw a right triangle, right angled at B. Let's say this point is A, C. I am drawing the rough figure. BC is 8, AB is 6 centimeter and angle B is 90. Let's start. First I will be drawing the BC. Make sure you are doing this construction in the middle of your copy. BC is 8 centimeter. This is B and this is C. Now on B we have to draw 90 degree. You already know how to draw 90. First mark 60 degree, 120 degree, then 90 degree. Now AB is given 6 centimeter. So open your compass 6 centimeter. Put it on B and cut an arc. So this point will be a A. Join AC. So ABC is the required triangle. ABC is a required triangle. What they are saying, BD is perpendicular from B on AC. Put your compass on B. You have to draw perpendicular on AC. How you will draw? First cut an arc like this. Put your compass on B. You have to make an arc such that the arc cut AC in two different points like this. Two different points are here and here. Now on the one end of the arc, open your compass more than half, cut the arc. Now join this point with B. So this will be the perpendicular on AC. Mark it as D. It is already given in the question. Now what you have to do? They are saying that draw a circle passing through B, C and D. Either you can do the same thing that we did in the first question, or you can observe that angle BDC is 90 degree. It is the angle made by the diameter. So BC is the diameter. We just draw the perpendicular bisector of BC. So this point is the center of the circle. Put your compass on O, open it up to B and draw the circle. So this is the required circle. Darken it because this is the circle that we have to draw and it is given in the question. Now the next thing what you need to do is draw a tangent from point A. As you can already see that angle B was 90, OB is radius, this angle is 90. So AB will be the tangent. And we know that the length of the tangent from external point is equal. So put your compass on A, open it up to B. Mark the arc on the other side of the circle. Join this point with A. You can name this point as any A, B, C, D we have. So I am taking it as E. So AB and AE are the required tangents. So this is how we are going to do the questions. Thank you.